Act 2, Scene 3 of Romeo and Juliet is set in Friar Lawrence's cell. This scene opens with Friar Lawrence gathering herbs early in the morning, while musing on the characteristics of different plants and herbs, how they can both poison and heal when used the right way, similar to human beings who can be benign or destructive. Romeo enters abruptly, and Lawrence immediately notices that Romeo has been awake all night. Lawrence questions Romeo about his late-night activities, concerned he might have been carousing with Rosaline. Romeo assures Lawrence that his love for Rosaline has ended, and he has a new love now, Juliet, the only daughter of the Capulet family. Friar Lawrence expresses shock and concern over Romeo's sudden shift of affection from Rosaline to Juliet in the period of a few hours. He chides Romeo for his fickleness and lack of deep love. However, Romeo is insistent and reiterates his sincere love for Juliet. He says that Juliet reciprocates his feelings and they wish to marry as soon as possible. Romeo asks Friar Lawrence to marry them later that same day. Initially, Friar Lawrence hesitates, but eventually agrees to conduct their wedding in hopes that the marriage between a Capulet and a Montague might end the ongoing feud between their families. He advises Romeo to love moderately, as hasty and intense love often ends in disaster. The scene ends with Romeo assuring Friar Lawrence of his love for Juliet, leaving the cell to make marriage arrangements.